It's a Friday. Oh, it's 9:30. I swear, the last, like, 4 minutes always creeps up on me. Good morning, good morning. Like, it will be, like, 9:25, and I'm like, oh, I have 5 minutes. And then all of a sudden, it's 9:30. Yes, ES nights. No ES night trades. Yeah, no. Anthony, I don't know what that is. Good morning, good morning. So the new NQ zones is green 305. ES night on the standard algorithm was 1-for-1. NQ night on the standard algorithm was 1-for-1. Good morning, Jackie. Might shift you guys this way a little bit. Yeah, and we're about to make we're about to get over all-time highs, so there's that. I'm just hanging out on range. All right, Apex is still doing new all-time highs. Apex is still doing the 90% sale until Sunday. So if you don't know about it, YouTube Live is bugged. No, it's working. It should be working. There. Is it working now? Hey, Rodney. I have my mic on, and I'm actually streaming today. Yesterday, I forgot to push the streaming button. Listen, they do what they want, okay? They don't want to stop when the market is running. They just want to go, go, go. Vizzy's in a long. Nice. I keep forgetting to set it up. So, fuck me. It could pull back to 20 and then continue. But we could also see a nice pullback. So, we'll have to see. I have my hair in a clip today when I was washing my face. I was thinking about it this morning. Like, do you see this? It's like broken. You think I would like buy myself, like it's broken here and it's broken here. You think I'd buy myself like a new clip, but no, I haven't. It did exactly that. See that pullback to 20? Now it's back up at 30. All right, no trades right now. Overnight, we were 2 for 2 on the standard algorithms. So, oh, who is honking? ES night and NQ night were both a win. Premium setups had an overnight NQ win and then have had a few wins from the NQ zones. So that's been fun. I released two new premium setups last night. I did it a little earlier than expected, like than I was going to originally. But I did it because I was like, you guys deserve it. I was going to do it like this weekend, but I have a special guest coming in town, so I'm going to be busy. We're going ice skating on Sunday. I'm so excited. We also have a birthday party tomorrow. And a delicious dinner. Oh my gosh. So I'm not a big Italian food. Like, I'm not like, oh, I have pasta once a week or I crave pasta or whatever. But I do like it every now and then. And we're going to one of my favorite Italian restaurants this weekend. So I am looking forward to that. But I'm not someone that eats Italian very often. Maybe like once every other month. Even though I love meatballs. I remember my niece had a meatball sub the other day for dinner, and I was like, oh my god, I used to love meatball subs. I feel like that was, maybe it wasn't a 4-person thing, but I feel like I was like, meatball subs. Like, it's literally just a meatball in a piece of bread with some cheese. Maybe not even cheese. Yeah, I guess it always has mozzarella, huh?
Order submitted.
Oh, nice, Anthony. I want to watch ES early. ES early isn't along. This is what I was waiting for. What's up? If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. It's currently 9:35 on Friday, February 23rd. What's up, Jason? Let's get this push. Let's go. I'm ready with my button. I'm ready. But yeah. Jen will most likely be live this afternoon, but maybe not. She has physical therapy today, and so she might be in some pain. But Kyle will definitely be live tonight, Friday Night Live. That will be fun, and that will be from 5 to 7 p.m. You picture me as a blonde person? That's so funny. No, I'm Middle Eastern. One of my members was like, Lauren, you and Jen should show your face more because it would be good for engagement. So we're trying it. Yeah, no. I'm like 5'4", dark hair, dark eyes, olive skin. Look at those little clothes. They're not that little anymore. He's going to be 7 this year. Like, that's crazy. I unblocked James from that mishap yesterday. Oops. Sorry, James. I unblocked him. I'm not gonna lie, I thought you could have been an AI before. Yeah, no. It's funny because when I first started all this, I would always go live like with my face and like show my charts. But I feel like these streams now, the past few years, have become so much more about the algos. And I feel like you can't really see as much as you can if I'm not doing my face. Like, I could zoom you guys in more, but then you don't see the whole chart, and I love the graphics. Yeah, I'm definitely not AI. Which is funny. All right, ES, let's go. Let's go. It's Friday. We want to make some more money. We're already 2 for 2 overnight. The premium setups are green. How much? Let me tell you. More than 175 because I need to put that NQ in here. Oh, I didn't add it. 175 plus 305. Whatever that is. 175. Do you have VPS? Yes, I have 2 VPSs. I'll show you. This is a VPS. Because see, this is my regular computer. This is my VPS. Sorry, I got so close to the computer. And then I have a second one. Let's go, ES. We're back to entry. 480. What's a 480? Oh, you were adding it up for me. Thank you. So premium setups are green 480 since last night. And the standard algos are green 225. There were 2 trades last night. You don't have to have a VPS to use it, but if you have a Mac computer, then you need a VPS. Because NinjaTrader, like the NinjaTrader desktop, this NinjaTrader desktop program, which is what you need to use NinjaTrader, is only a PC-based program. So if you don't have a PC, you have to get a VPS because it won't work on Mac. And but if you have a PC, you don't have to get VPS, submitted. But it's a good thing to most likely do. I'm gonna I thought I did always on top on this. Oh, maybe not yet. All right, let's go, ES. ES is almost at target. So the VPS is not required, but it's highly recommended. That's essentially how we say it. Highly recommended. ES is almost at target. Let's go. I have my button ready. VPS is just great because you can connect from anywhere. So like when I go to pickleball later, I can look at my phone and see what the algo's doing. Yeah, no Macs are going to be compatible. Oh, you're saying your Mac's not compatible to VPS? Is that what you're saying? Well, you can't use a Mac on NinjaTrader at all. So that's a 100% no. Yeah, you're probably going to have to get like a new computer, honestly, or just cheap PC or a tablet. Like, you could do it from an iPad. You can't do it from like a because you can download the app, but like doing it from your phone is really not gonna work. So the great thing about VPS is you have connection everywhere. So you can go to a coffee shop and pull up your VPS on your phone or on your iPad or on your laptop. Or when you're traveling, you take your laptop with you, you can always connect, or your phone, or you can connect to like a computer in that's given to you somewhere else. Also, overnight, sometimes NinjaTrader will have connection issues. So we have found that the VPS kind of gets around those connection issues, and then you're a lot safer in overnight trades when NinjaTrader would typically have a disconnect. All right, ES is moving up. Let's go. Let's go, baby. ES is green, $25 here. Go, 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 go. Did you say I can use the iPad to sub initially until I get a new laptop? Yes, you can. Again, you're going to download still need a VPS though. So you're going to download it's called Remote Desktop Connection app on your iPad. And you can do it from there. I agree, Tino. Some people that I see using a laptop, I'm like, they can only see like one chart at a time. I have 2 screens.
Target filled.
Target filled. No, Corey. The market ran before we could do anything. We're so far away from everything. It already made a new all-time highs. Vizzy is in a long for $800 here. That is a premium algo. It's in... What? So yeah, ES early, 1 for 1. Let's go. We need some apples in the chat. Jen is at PT, so I need you guys to help her out in the chat and put some apples. Let me share this too. Apples, 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 apples. Slow and steady. Nice job, Rick. Whoa, whoa. William is coming out the gate now. Look at this. William, usually he makes like $50 a day. Look at this. 300, 250, 75, 75, 70. Nice job. Slow and steady for Rick. Brian, 900, 900, 900. He's probably on the chat right now. Oh my God. 1300, 1300, 1300. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, I don't know, $18,000 for Texas Sloth. Nice job. Again, Apex is doing a 90% sale. They haven't done a 90% sale since Thanksgiving. So if you're thinking about joining the algo, if you're thinking about joining my mentorship and you're going to use Apex, I'm not sure why you haven't bought the accounts. If you've bought the accounts, then good for you. But if you haven't, why haven't you? Because the 90% sale ends on Sunday. It ends on Sunday, and they're doing a 1-day eval pass, so you could get in today. Tap, tap, tap.
Order submitted.
It's okay, James. Listen. All right, so NQ night is 1 for 1, ES night is 1 for 1, ES early is 1 for 1. Let's go. The market is running because it wants to. I love how you spoke about Apex might not do 90% and then the day they start. Well, listen, I've said that before and it hasn't worked out. So I'm happy it finally happened. Like, it's been since Thanksgiving. Why did they take so long? Here comes the volume. I want it. I want it. Push it up, Tino. Everybody wants it. Listen. I guess this is a new level now. 145. Till Sunday the 25th. Yeah, 90% off until Sunday. All right, do you take trades over the weekend? Sunday, we turn everything on, yes. So I would consider Sunday as the weekend. Today's Friday. There are no trades on Saturday. Zones had a loss. There's no trades on Saturday. But Sunday, we start back up, correct. After this, I'm going to play some pickleball, and then I need to run to the grocery store. And, I need to get a birthday card for this birthday party. So we're 3 for 3 so far on the day on standard algorithms. And premium, our algos are doing well as well. Hold on, let me update this. Did NQ take... I was wondering if NQ... I don't think it did. No, NQ really didn't take a trade yet. We don't run it today anyway, but I was just interested to know. Do you... Okay, yeah, I already answered that. Cool. If you have any other questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you want more information, just email me. It's on the screen, but I'll say it because it might be blurry. BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. You know what I should open up is my other VPS. Oh, ES is also in a long on the one that I'm testing. Oh shoot, that one's 700. That's good. It might work out. It was red yesterday, but the data was 100% accurate. So that's what I don't mind. Like when I'm testing something, if the data is accurate historically, even if it has a red day, I don't care. Because if the data is telling me, okay, it's made $30,000 in the last 4 months, but like yesterday was a bad day, say it was red like $1,100. I don't care that it was red $1,100 yesterday if the historical data also says it was red $1,100 and if it shows me the same exact trades that I had and the same results that I had. Does that make sense? Because there are going to be days that are red and we're going to have some losing days. But if the data is correct, that makes me really happy. Oh, William said, when I say BoldBot changed my life, I had 1 PA when I joined. How many do you have now, William? How many PAs do you have, William?
Stop filled.
That was on the one I'm testing. Which is fine. We'll get it on the next one.
Order submitted.
All right. That ES I'm testing is also an alarm.
Stop filled.
Oh, that was the ES that just got stopped. It's like a really small loss. You did it. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Nice job, Deb. Night setups did her well. Jason posted. Thanks, David. You have 10 PAs and 2 more within $50 of approval. So essentially 12 PAs. Good for you. David said, honestly, Lauren is fantastic. She knows her shit. I do know my shit. I would agree with that. Oh, this one's in a joint. All right, ES early already hit. Waiting on ES later, and I'll have 2 more within $100 of approval. So you're going to have like 14 PAs. Thank you, Laura. I would love to see price come back down to like 85, 72. We had a nice run up here. Let's see if we can break this 100. Let's see if our students can get a little action if we move back down here. Nice job, Dan. It's 9:52. So I'm going to be rich by the summer. We have no reports today. Redacted said I have 6 PA accounts and 1 Express top set. Nice. Somebody was asking yesterday if the 100K static or the regular one is better, and I don't really understand. I don't know what the static even means. So I was like, I can't tell you. Like, does that mean like the trailing drawdown doesn't move? It stays static? Something like that. Alright, this is at 20 level. See if it's gonna act as some resistance here or not. Did I have the other one? Where? Oh. Did I not? Oh, or maybe this is it. Never mind. I do.
Order submitted.
I do have it. Yeah. Why are you not already at Taco Bell? Let's see if we can stay below 20 and go back to like 85 or 70. I would like that nice little pullback to give us a nice setup for this later today, or going into the London close or whatever. But we have to move back down a bit. Can't take it up here. Okay, here they are. But what are, okay, got it. I don't know why this looks so washed out. Maybe that, I don't know. What? Who asked that? Let's go. See if we can break this 100. Let's go. I might be ready. It's almost 10 o'clock. You know, it gets a little dicey here. See if we can break 100, go back to 85, go back to 70, and then possibly go back to 50. Down bad, trader. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I don't know. $12,000. Deb, night setups did well. Now wait for ES later to cap off the day. Mio, PAs and evals, algos only so far. Yeah, we gotta pull back. Green Day, continuing to move slow and steady. BoldBot for the win. Very nice. All right, we're at 05. Let's see if we can break this 100. Can you please answer? Uh-oh. That's so funny. Bye. It's so funny because I haven't had many trolls lately. Jen said she had a bunch the other day. Ooh, we broke 100. We're at 90. We're at 90. That was the ES I'm testing. Let's go. 500 on this short. That's another one that I'm testing. It's one of the new algos. We're at 85. Let's see if we can break and go to 70. Can we break and go to 70? Wait, Glenn. Ooh, we went to 70. Okay. Sorry, I was sending a message and I didn't even, we broke 70. Let's go. He said, troll detected. Bye-bye now. Their mom's basement. I know. They're still playing no, they played video games until 4 a.m. Target hit on that drop. Oh, this one was literally, what, like 1 tick? 3 ticks.
Stop filled.
But my cash hit. See if you can break 70 again. Where are my students at? Let me, my analysis cold as fuck or room temperature. What? Yeah, we were expecting this drop. This is what we talked about in the student chat. I know. Peter, why are you not chatting in the student chat at Taco Bell? Yeah, I know, but remember, there's no reports today. So, just, you know, just 60. I went to 60.75 and I need 60 on my Apex accounts. Did it just do it again? It just went to 61. Get the fuck out of here. Literally. Don't even. See if that 85 can hold us down and we'll go back down. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. 62. I need 60. 62. That 62, 61 is like... Let's go. I need 60. There we go.
Target filled.
There we go. There we go. There we go. That works. That works. Green, green, green. Green, green, green. Let's go. Great day, great day. All right, where are my students at? Where are my students at? It's 10:01. Jen said, so you're saying I'm green. Let's go. YM Ranger Target. Can I run existing rhythmics while transitioning to TradeAway accounts at the same time? Yes, you can have both connections. You can have rhythmic and TradeAway turned on the same Ninja VPS at the same time. However, you are still limited. Look at that bounce. My students are in this long from like 55, now at 85. That's already 30 points on this long. All right. What else was I looking at? Nice. This is 30 points here, guys. 30 points on the student play. This is why we stay patient and we don't chase the market up here. All right, cool. I can get that data. Well, a trail is still safety. That's fine. Over 30 points here. No rush, no rush. Look at that. Gage said, made up for my slow week. This is my only day of profit. Most accounts stayed closed to save. Made up my losses back today. Nice job, Gage. K Lavender. Oh, we already looked at that. All right, cool. What time is it? 10:04. Student play update. Nice job, Down Bad Trader. Go, babe, go. Yay. So proud of you guys for being patient and waiting for that play. Awesome job. I'm going to go play pickleball in a little bit. So the only thing we have left now is laters, and there is a new algo. Somebody just asked me. There's a new algo that's performing really, really well. Let me tell you guys how it's been doing. Let me tell you. Give me a second. I got to go to my testing sheet because I have a testing spreadsheet. Okay. Last week, and this is on 1 mini. And the risk to reward is amazing. All right. So last week, it made $4,950 on 1 mini. And this week, it's made $1,410. And it still has whatever the rest of today holds. So, So I will be rolling that out. Somebody just asked. So probably within the next week. I feel really good about it. Yes, that's the Oracle. And I called it the Oracle. Like I had my developer label it the Oracle. And there's no settings, so you don't need to do anything. You don't need to think about anything. You simply just need to turn it on and decide if you want to put it on micros or mini chart. That's it. So you would load it to the chart just like you do any other strategy. But you would load it and then do nothing else other than if you wanted to update your sizing, you would do that. The risk to reward is really good. So on a mini, the profit is $1,000. The loss is $600. So if you do micros, which is what I've been doing on my Apex accounts, a win is $500 and a loss is $300. And it does really well. So if I did micros, it would be half of, if I'm talking about the micros. Yeah, so it's going to be a standard algorithm. So it's going to be for everyone. However, any new setup is always released to premium first. So if you're premium, you're going to get first access to it, but it is a standard algorithm. If that makes sense. Because if you're premium, you're paying more, you just get extras. So they get to use it first for like a week, and then it will be rolled out to everyone. Does that answer those questions? So again, if I did micros, which is what I've been doing, $1,400 this week, so half of that because I'm doing 5 micros. So $700 this week on one account. Last week was $5,000, so $2,500 on 5 micros last week.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Amy's going to start giving access to all the premium people, so then when I roll out the actual file, you'll already have access. Listen, we're ready, okay? You guys are going to love it. It's so good. And the win rate isn't like, and I've posted a picture of it. It might not be easy to grab now. I was trying to think if it would be. Like, and the win rate's not like high. And this is what you guys have to understand. It's like 56, 60%, something like that. Yeah, I trade in a closet. This is actually my son's closet. These are his clothes. This is my setup. So I have 2 screens, my calendar, my tea. But yes, I work in a closet, and that's the door. I work in a closet. It is peaceful, and it keeps me warm. I don't like that I can't see outside, but it's fine. I don't sit here for very long. And this is where the modem, like I originally moved in this space because the router or modem or whatever, the internet thing is in here, and I wasn't getting good enough Wi-Fi, so I Ethernet or whatever it's called. I hardwired to my computer. So again, back to the new algo, Oracle. It's going to be for everyone, so no worries there. The risk to reward is amazing. Like the profit is about 2 times as much as the loss is. And but so when you have a lower risk, like when your risk to reward is closer or your reward is bigger than your risk, we're never going to be able to have like a 95% win rate or 88% win rate like we do with a lot of the range setups. So it's more like 56% to 60%. My router's also inside a closet, and I know it's horrible. It's horrible. So just be aware of that. But like today, it had a loss and then it had a win. So it's green on the day because the wins are bigger than the losses. And it typically only trades about twice per day, 2 to 3 times per day. What else do you guys want to know? I'm really excited for it. Like it's going to be huge. But you won't see, very similar to waves, which is down here. You won't see any indicator on the chart in air quotation marks. So again, the settings are already built in. So I'm going to have, if I create one for ES and RTY and YM, and I'm working on the ES one now, you're going to have multiple files, which is the reason why I haven't done this in the past, but I feel like doing it this way makes it easier for the users and safer for my business, essentially. So it's going to be Oracle NQ, Oracle ES, Oracle YM, like that. Does that make sense? But when you turn it on, you'll obviously see Oracle in the top left saying that you have it enabled, but you won't actually see anything on your chart, and you won't know what it's doing or how it's deriving the trade, essentially. Is one, maybe to say, I don't know. So yeah, any other questions about the new algo? Has it had a double loss in a single day? Oh yes, Caleb. And see, this is the thing, and this is why I'm trading micros. It has had 4 losses back to back. 4 losses back to back in a day. And that was actually one day this week. Good morning. Hi, how are you? It will be rolled out to premium members most likely next week. If I feel really nice, maybe this weekend. And then it will be rolled out to standard members, whatever the week after that is. So premium folks will get 1 week of using the new algorithm. And then it will be rolled out to standard folks after that. But yeah. What other questions do you guys have? If you want more information, if you're not in the group already, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30. Jen may or may not be live later today from 2 to 3 p.m. And then Kyle will be live tonight from 5 to 7 p.m. for a Friday night fun market replay stream. So make sure you join him and give him some love. If you don't already follow me, make sure you follow me, because again, I go live mostly on this account every time. So the new algorithm, the risk to reward is better. But yes, like I said, the win rate is only 55 to 60%. So you're going to have losses. And that's why a full loss is $600 on a mini. But on micros, it's only $300. So if I have 3 back-to-back losses on micros, I'm only red $900. And then if it has a win, it's $500. So, but that hardly ever happens. Like sometimes it will have a loss and then a win, or a win and then a loss. But it's typically not back-to-back losses, but it has happened. And so obviously you guys need to know that. And you can still run the strategy analyzer with the new algorithm without having settings. It will still run the data for you, so you could see on your own that it had 3 losses in a row historically, or it had 4 losses in a row historically, and just so you can use that to prepare yourself to how you should approach your sizing. Most people should probably do micros, especially if you have a smaller Apex account. Now, I have a 100K Apex account, and the 1 mini has worked fine, and I've done really well with it. So, but again, that's up to you. The 90% off of Apex. The 90% off for Apex ends on Sunday, so make sure you grab some of those accounts. They have not done 90% since Thanksgiving. So they're really getting into this 80% in 1 day pass and getting away from the 90%. At least that's what it seems. So if you guys want 90%. Yeah, so the VPS, we went over this a little earlier, but I know you just joined West. The VPS is not required. However, it's highly recommended. What VPS does is it gives you a really strong connection. It submits your orders, we feel like sometimes earlier than if you're not on VPS. Not like earlier, but just like in a faster motion, because my VPS is in Chicago or Philly, but it could be closer to where the exchange is rather than if you live in, California or Texas or Nebraska, and then it might take, 1 second longer. And it just gives you also security. So what I noticed when I first started using NinjaTrader was it would disconnect a lot around 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. And I would wake up and I'm like, why is everything turned off? Also, with that, if you were in a trade, you could be left in a naked trade, which is super unsafe. So the VPS doesn't let NinjaTrader disconnect essentially 99% of the time. So it's a big help, and it's a big like safety net to say, okay, I'm comfortable going to sleep because my VPS is going to keep me connected, even if, NinjaTrader has some issues. Obviously, if you lose power at your house, you wouldn't be able to use the system. If you lose internet at house, you wouldn't be able to use the system. But if you have VPS, you could still have everything running and making you money, and watching it on your phone or looking at it on an iPad. Also, when you travel, it's super helpful, because if you're traveling, say you're going on vacation and you still want to turn the algorithms on, which is really easy to do, you just push one button. If you do that, if you don't have the VPS, you can't do that, because you can only work it from the one computer. Like there's only one computer that has access. So say you're, in Florida, or you're on a cruise or whatever. If you had a laptop or an iPad, you could turn on the algorithms every night through the VPS on your iPad. But you can't do that if you don't have the VPS, because it is only held at that one PC. Also, you would have to keep the PC on all of the time. It can't sleep. It can't turn off. If that happens, you will lose connection with NinjaTrader. So there's a lot of really good reasons why you should have the VPS. And it's only $50 a month. Or $120 for a dedicated server. And a dedicated server is even stronger. I will save that, Glenn. Premium is the way to go. Thank you, Lauren and team. Oh, I love to hear it. Let's see. Carlos, student play for the win. Mike, yes, yes. Thanks, Lauren. Great play. Down bad. What did he make? Like $30,000 today. Look at Carlos. Carlos is my man. Nice job, Carlos. These are all PA accounts. All PA on Apex. 90% off. You can get an account. You can get a $50,000 account for like $18. Anthony, premium is the way to go. Thank you, Lauren and team. Nice job, Anthony. Jason, manual and algo digital mentorship is the way to more profits. Oh, I love you guys. You're so cute. $1,500. Nice job. Beast, done for the day. Great morning call this morning. Lauren grabbed it twice, plus early morning trading. Great Friday. Oh my gosh. 7, 21, 28. I don't know, like $50,000. What the hell did you make today, John? But yeah, congrats. And that's how Apex can be so helpful to people, that like, if you're, Kenny has like a 300K account, he can make $50,000 in a day. Most people don't have that, and like no one has that. So you can go get a $100,000 account for, I don't know, $20 right now, $25, and then you have a $100,000 account, and you can have up to 20 of them. It always freezes in the TikTok at 10:20 for me. That's so weird. 4 people did just drop off. I wonder why. All right, well, I'm going to wrap it up anyway. Pickleball is only a short session on Friday, and there's always a bunch of people. So I'm dressed. I'm going to head to pickleball. I'm ready, okay? Got my all black on. I'm going to send them to their death. Not really. I'm nice. People said I should be an ambassador at my pickleball group because I'm so nice to new people. All right. Have a good day. I will be back on Monday. Jen will most likely be live 2 to 3 p.m. if she's feeling good. And then Kyle will be live from 5 to 7 p.m. So make sure you give him some love. I'm definitely going to be on there. Maybe I'll jump on with him. We'll see. All right. Have a good day. Thanks for joining. Bye. Bye.